Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Blix Vika Plus bicycles today, and in the event that you have rubbing coming from your rear tire, it may be as simple as just adjusting your rear fender. Let's go take a look. All right, DIYers, outside now, and in front of us is the Blix Vika Plus, and this is the green version. And again, in the event that you hear rubbing sounds coming from your rear tire, it may be as simple as just adjusting your rear fender. And you'll notice your fender right here, and you've got little fender mounting bars that go all the way down and secure into the housing down here. And there is one on each side, and these are secured and tightened in place by little Allen screws, as you can see here. Grab your Allen set, match up the proper size wrench or key to that screw, and carefully loosen this up to a point where you can carefully shift this bar out of the housing about 1/4 inch. And that will allow you to push the fender itself further away from your tire. And after shifting that out about 1/4 inch, go ahead and re-secure and tighten that Allen screw, and then hop to the opposite side, and you'll do the exact same thing. Loosen up the screw, shift the bar out 1/4 inch, re-secure the screw. And another common cause that people run into with the rear wheel is right down here, you've got a little zip tie. You see that little zip tie right there? In the event that that is rotated to a point where it's making contact with the rubber portion of your tire, it will definitely make an unfriendly sound when you are out having fun cruising on your bike. So take a look at that as well. In addition, scrolling above is a video that talks about unique sounds coming from your front tire. Definitely check that out in the event that you are experiencing those as well. DIYers, that's it from here. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.